Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So y'all, I was in my local beauty supply store going to get my good old African Pride pre-poo. Y'all know that's one of my favorite pre-poos. And I saw some new products and I was like, how you doing? So I decided to pick them up. So I picked up this African Pride Curl Milk and Detangler. This is from their Aloe and Coconut Water collection. And I also picked up the Curl Defining Gel. Y'all know I like a good gel and it's affordable, so I had to give it a try. And then I also picked up this Edge Styling Wax. I like to do my edges, so you know, I'm always down to try a new like edge wax or whatever. This smells like, you know, the same coconut smell as the pre-poo, but this one looks kind of like it's white. So like it's not like a clear edge control. It's really like an edge wax. So I hope it don't be looking white on my edges, okay? I haven't done a wash and go in a while, so I'm ready to get this wash and go popping. It's about to be wash and go season, even though, you know, I be doing them all year round, but I haven't done one in a while, a good while. So I'm ready, and we're gonna start off with this Curl Milk Detangler. I'm really hoping this is good because it's affordable. Girl, because it'd be hard to find affordable products, you know, that actually work or whatever. Now, y'all know I like to do my wash and goes on soaking wet hair. I wanted to do a little color, but since this is a new product that I've never used, I want to just go ahead and use it and see how it actually performs by itself. So we're going to start off with this detangler. Okay, it's giving me like a little runny kind of, you know, lightweight kind of vibe. Definitely smells like the pre-poo. Okay, she is like hella lightweight for real. She's not weighing my curls down at all. Feeling real watery. Ooh, she watery. I might not have needed to add no water really, but I don't know. She doesn't really have like slip or anything like that. Okay, y'all, I'm feeling like it's not penetrating. It's just kind of sitting on top like water. So I don't know about that. I feel like I gotta keep adding more and add more and add more, and I don't want to do that. So I ain't got time for no flakes. I got stuff to do. I ain't really liking the way it feels on my hair. It's feeling like it's just nothing. It's not giving me anything. Why? And you know, like when you're using a gel, you want to put something on your hair that's going to really give you some nice moisture and kind of weigh it down. Something with some nice maybe oils and butters in it. If the gel is drying and your leave-in is whack, you're going to have some dry, crispy hair. And I like a crunch on my wash and go, but I don't want it to be dry. So the first few ingredients are water, of course.
Soybean oil, coconut oil, glycerin, and some vegetable oil and coconut liquid, and some shea butter, and then a couple more oils, and then aloe vera juice, and then some other stuff I can't pronounce. So,
looking at my hair, like the way my hair looks with this, I am not impressed. Oh, child, like I feel like nothing is on my hair. African Pride, don't play with me today. Okay, so I did not add water to this section, and it definitely feels better without adding water. The water is basically gonna damn near erase the dang on leave-in, so, but I ain't gonna count it out just yet because I have used some watery leave-ins that actually do the job. So those are definitely few and far between, but it's possible. Oh, and it is a couple of silicones at the bottom of the list too. So if you don't like silicones, girl, don't even waste your pretty little penny, okay? All right, y'all. So the leave-in is on, and it looked like it was trying to soak in a little bit or whatever. My hair don't feel hella moisturized though at all. Okay, let's get into what I'm really here for, which is this gel. Because if I can find me a good gel and it's affordable, I can put it with a leave-in I know I like. So this is the gel. It smells jelly. I don't know what to say. It don't smell like the coconut pre-poo or the rest of the products. It's a little runny, y'all. As if I need anything else more runny in my hair, but We finish me. Alright, so y'all know how I do. I work in small sections and I usually soak my hair down with water, but I ain't finna do that today. Take me some gel. Y'all know I use a lot because I needed to weigh my hair down. And it is feeling like it is trying to do that. Okay, gel, come through. Okay, you guys, so I am back. My hair is about 80% dry. It's definitely not all the way dry. Like, if you look, like, in here, you'll still see, like, the roots are still, like, kind of wet in there. But for the most part, like, the outside of it is dry. I haven't stretched it or done anything yet. So I just wanted to show you guys what it was looking like before I do all of that. Like I said, I have something to do. I really didn't have time to let it dry all the way. Ooh, my time management was off today. But I'm going to go ahead and, you know, stretch it out, do my makeup and all of that. And I'm going to come back and let y'all know how I really feel about these two products. Oh, and I'm going to use this to do my edges. I mean, we don't really need no tutorial on that. I think, like, the real tea is like how long is this gonna last, so I can let y'all know that later. But I'm gonna use this to do my edges, so let me go get myself together. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so my hair was not all the way dry like I told y'all, so I was able to stretch it, but you know, not too much. Well, I think this is a good stretch though. But once I started stretching it, I started getting like little flakes over there, which I didn't have before I started stretching it. So I don't know why it was like that, and I'm thinking because it was not all the way dry. So I'm not gonna blame those flakes right there on anything but the fact that my hair was not all the way dry. So true tea on these products is that the leave-in, I really don't even like this leave-in, but the fact that I used it and had to sit under the dryer, it worked because it was lightweight. If I use leave-ins that are heavy and thick and sit right under the dryer, those tend to sometimes cause me flakes. Since this was lightweight, it penetrated better. So I would not use this leave-in unless I was using it with this gel, unless I was sitting under the dryer. Other than that, this leave-in is, it's a no for me. It's lightweight, which I don't mind it being lightweight, but it really wasn't penetrating my hair and very moisturizing. Now, my hair isn't dry. I will say that my hair isn't dry. It does have like a hold, but it's not crunchy. And it does have like nice flexibility to it and all of that. Like, it actually feels good, but I don't feel like the moisture that I have is going to be long lasting. So this was okay. I don't think I would use this, like I said, unless I'm using the gel, unless I'm sitting under the dryer. Now the gel, I feel like I like the gel. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, my hands are hella oily. Like, the coconut oil in this did not come to play. Like, if you're gonna sit on the dryer, you're gonna feel and see the coconut oil on your hands. So that's why my hair isn't like hella crunchy. It's got hold, but it's not hella crunchy because that oil automatically broke the cast. I didn't have to put any type of oil or anything to break the cast at all. So I do like this gel, and I would try this with another leave-in and do my normal air dry process. So this is a yes for me. This is a no. And then this edge wax gel, I put it on and it turned white, and then once it like melts into your hair, you can't see it, but it ain't holding nothing. I ain't even been out the house yet, and I can tell that it's not holding nothing. So this edge control is a no, ma'am. And I wish it would have gave me something, because you look how much product you get. Like, this is a lot of edge control, but girl, The star of the show for me today was definitely the gel. It's affordable. You get 18 ounces, and I just like it. I like the way it applied, and I like the way my hair looks and feels. It's got nice definition. The coconut oil automatically broke the cast, so my hair isn't crunchy. So I'm here for the gel. The other two products can go to hell. So that's my 2 cents on the new African Pride products. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.